Good morning, my fellow day traders, and welcome back to another live trading session. It is currently Tuesday, guys, second week into June, so let's kill it. Let's make sure we get some good gains. Now, yesterday we took a nice trade off some Apple. We made a nice $125 off trading Apple off a single contract. Now, we were supposed to buy two of them. Unfortunately, we only bought one. I wasn't too confident in the trade, but today, guys, we see some good setups. Now, I have a trade setup on NVIDIA, as you guys can see here, as well as the S&P 500. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to trade, what's the breakdown behind it, what's the technical analysis, and you guys can already see I post all my thoughts in the Trade Ideas tab in my Discord. And if you guys want to be part of the community, then best believe use the premium code at checkout. Now, with all that being said, I'm watching NVIDIA here for a very simple breakout. Now, this is going to probably be almost close to all-time high, so I got to be very careful. But the 160 breakout should be a very nice fat breakout. Now, already in the pre-markets, NVIDIA looks very strong here, and the S&P 500s kind of looks like it could potentially break out at either side. So we're just going to keep it on watch. Market is on watch today. We're going to be very cautious. But either way, guys, we're killing it every single time. And let's transition to here, and let's see exactly how we're going to trade. Shout out JJ, providing also ideas in the chat as well. In the Trade Ideas tab, he posted a couple levels like AVG, Hood, which Hood is taking the hell off. All these stocks that he's mostly talking about here are going crazy. So I appreciate you, JJ, for posting some ideas as well. So what I'm looking for on NVIDIA, guys, technical analysis wise, or just very simple price action, is just for NVIDIA to hold yesterday's highs. So you can see this level 159.31 is yesterday's highs on NVIDIA. Now I'm watching it not only on the 5 minutes here, which I need to pop up some contracts and choose which ones I need to see, which let's see which ones we're gonna look at. So let me show you guys let me show you which contracts I choose to trade for options. I don't like to trade same day expirations or honestly even same week expirations. To be honest, I like to go for next week's. Now, I also like to try to get in the money, but in the money is pretty expensive, I'm not gonna lie. 460, I like to be around 350s, 380s, 300s. So the 160 call for $312 doesn't seem too bad. This time I can buy two. Instead of starting with one yesterday, I'll buy two. Now, of course, I'm not in anything yet. I'm just eyeing the contract. That's how I choose them. I don't really care about the Greeks or theta or all that stuff because I'm a day trader. I'm just quick in and out. But what I need for price action is for NVIDIA to hold this area of support, which is yesterday's highs. And if it doesn't, then that just tells me that price action tells me that we're rejecting. And so far, I just got to wait for the 15-minute to give me the confirmation. Now, QQQ is back where we were on support yesterday. Currently just have a potential to bounce on it, so we'll give it some time and see what the market does. I'm a patient trader. I'm not a rush. I don't like to rush. I don't have FOMO. I don't chase anything, and I don't feel fear. We just wait patiently for our setup, and if it never comes, it never comes. Currently live on TikTok right now as we speak, just seeing what's going on. Dude on TikTok live tried to clown my haircut. What? He said, "Who the F did your hair?" First of all, for $30, I got this a couple days ago on a Sunday. So for $30, bro, this is crazy nice. What is he talking about? I even got the low drop fake, they be calling it. You know what I'm saying? This dude tried to clown on my haircut on TikTok live, bro. My haircut is $30. Look at this haircut. This shit is nice. Got the low drop fade to it too as well. I do my own beard. I don't let nobody touch my beard, but $30 haircut, I bet you're paying $60. Shit, not that bad. He's tweaking. Now, with that being said, I can easily take a QQQ break and retest here to the downside on QQQs. The reason why I say that is because look at this. It's literally the trade that happened yesterday where it bounced here a little bit, broke through, and then the retest was there. And here we are again. We bounced just a little bit in the morning, got the break, and now here's the retest. So here's QQQ on the 5-minute time frame. I'm going to watch it for now. If I do see another sell-off counter, because look at the volume here. I mean, it creeps in. But if I see another long wick to downside or a whole bunch of consolidation below this little zone, then I probably will enter. So we'll see. So we're up $71 on this trade right now at this moment, but we're going to do our absolute best to hold it, guys. We're going to try our absolute best to hold it. We got a good entry, and let's see how much these things can go to. Come on, QQQ. Don't do it to me like that, guys. This thing pulled all the way back to break even, guys. I'm still going to hold it as long as we don't get above this little small resistance area or the bottom of the zone, really. That's what I'm going to hold it to. Market's still pulling back here, but come on, Qs. I'm so glad I exited my QQQ. You guys can see here. We took a small cut, nothing that serious. But look at the whole market as a whole, guys. Everything just rocketed out of the cuts. So I'm very glad I exited. We saw a nice 10%, but of course, that's not price target. Now, if I do see another trade, I'm going to take another trade. But so far, it probably will just be on NVIDIA if I do take calls. But dang, guys, bulls just took straight control. It's insane. With all that being said, guys, we're just going to watch the market, see what it does. If we don't catch anything, well, we don't catch anything. Just wrap it up, call it good. Just enjoy ourselves, enjoy our day. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. So guys, we're back home. We took a loss today on the market. We're down $38. You guys can see my orders right here. We traded the QQQs. We tried to take some puts on it, but unfortunately it just did not go in my favor. Let me show you guys right here. So as you guys saw earlier, I tried to slap some puts on QQQs. I even mentioned that if we get some consolidation below here, I'm going to enter some puts. And that's exactly what had happened, you guys. You guys can see long wick to the upside, indicating that sellers are stepping in. And so you know what? I decided to enter in, and here are my contracts here. You guys can see the orders that I got in at. And you can see that it reflects here. So I got in at 719. The moment this thing started pushing up above this area and breaking above very strongly, I decided just to exit for a small cut. That's why we took a small cut today. So I'm very excited for the type of loss that we had. It really was not big at all. And that's the whole point with the risk to reward, guys. You guys have to make sure the risk to reward is on point. Guys, I just made $125 off a single trade last trade. I only lost $38 this trade here with 2 contracts. Guys, every single time I take a trade, to be honest, I'm most likely only going to lose $30 to $60, whereas my gains are always going to be over 120, 150, 160, 180. I'm trying to shoot for literally a daily salary of 200 to 250 a day. That's my whole goal. So with all that being said, guys, I appreciate you guys watching this, and we're going to wrap it up here, call it good, and I'll see you guys on tomorrow's vlog. And guys, if you guys need any extra help trading, best believe I'll see you guys in the premium chat. I'll see you guys in the Discord. Use premium code at checkout, and I'll see you guys in there.